If you see the warning low speed braking control problem in your Honda or Acura car, this means that the parking sensor system is not functioning properly. This problem doesn't have anything to do with the radar, so focus only on parking sensors. The system helps your car automatically brake when you drive at a very low speed and there is an obstacle you can't see in front of the rear or front bumper. So the system relies on those small parking sensors located in the bumpers of your car. And there are two scenarios that will help you locate the culprit. If you see one parking sensor malfunctioning in the pictogram on the screen, the problem is exactly with that one sensor. It may be dirty, damaged, or disconnected, or it may just die for no reason and require replacement. Even a small scratch on the sensor's surface may result in the sensor being faulty. So visual inspection and cleaning are your first steps. If nothing helps, you can try turning the car on and off several times and check if it could be a glitch. If no luck, again, you will most likely need the new sensor. But if all the parking sensors don't work and the system is always deactivated, the problem is likely not with a single sensor. Unfortunately, it's not that uncommon for the parking sensor control module to fail in Honda cars. The control module is usually located behind a glove box on the side, and it's not that hard to take it out. Before you replace it, you can disconnect the module, start the car, let it work for a minute, then reconnect the module and make sure the connector is sitting tight, start the vehicle and check if this fixes the problem. But if the warning is still there, the new module might be your solution. It will cost quite a lot if bought from the dealership, but you can get a used module from eBay for $50–60, and this will be cheaper than having your car inspected in a good repair shop. Also, if the problem is still there after you've tried everything, there may be issues with connections and wiring behind one of the bumpers. To check this, you will need to take the bumper off and track the wires as far as you can, and also check the connectors on each parking sensor. But fortunately, wiring and connections are relatively good in these cars and will only be damaged during an accident, so this problem is not that common.